Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, welcome to 2018. We made it. Listen, the first watch faces of the year that we got going on is the countdown of the year of 2017. We compiled a list of the top 12 watch faces that we thought was #1 for each month. Now what I need from you is to do me a favor, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know which one you thought was #1 for the year, and or which one was your favorite. And with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this review off and have some fun. Okay, you all, welcome back to another video, and welcome to #1. Now this one was for the month of January. I thought it was pretty cool. It's an animated watch face. The name of the watch face is called DSS Candlelight. Very nice looking watch face to play on a casual night or day. And if you look at it, the candle is flickering. I thought this was one of the best looking animated watch faces in the beginning of the year. And if you look on the right hand side, you got your stack time. You also get info on your steps, calories burned, miles walked or ran. And you got a little second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and it's going around really smooth. So this one has a very good look, and you can tap on this. It is interactive. You can get your music, calendar, things of that nature. You got certain places that you can tap on to bring up more information. So yes, what do you think? Yes, this one made the cut for #1 of the year. #2, this one made the cut for February. I'm telling you, this watch face was awesome so far as uniqueness is concerned. This is a conversation starter. You got to have this one in your lineup, right? Now the name of this one, I call it Eyeball, but it's called iWatch Free. It's in the Gear Manager store and it is free. You got to check this one out. If you look at it, it's animated. The eyeball is kind of moving around. It is kind of weird, but I'm telling you, when people see this, they're going to want to know what you got on your wrist. You get your digital time at the bottom, and at the top you still get information on your day and your date, which I thought was pretty cool. Basically a watch face, but fun. #3, listen, March was a good month as well. Now this one is called Type C Freedom. Now Type C Freedom is nice. I mean, I like the silver look of the numbers, and the background is automatically customizable as well. If you look here, you got like your little second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which added a little bit of class to it. You get information on your date, battery info. You got the day right over the number 9. Down at the bottom, you got your day and your date. I thought this one was definitely one to choose for the month of March. It looks good. It's customizable so far as the color is concerned. And this one, you can get away with dressing up in this watch face. What do you think, guys? Made the cut for #3. #4 is April. Spring is in the air. This watch face just blew April away. I like the character within this watch face. I like the separation, and I like that you get the best of both worlds with an analog look and a digital look. So at the top, you get info on your battery info, your time, your day and your date. In the middle, I'm liking the bar, which you can customize. I'll show you that in a second. And then down at the bottom, you get info on your steps, heart rate, calories burned, and it is interactive. So if you need to go deep off into that, you can do it just by one tap. But I'm loving the customization of the color of this, so you can change the look and theme of this watch face a little bit, which made this an awesome buy in April. Now, I think it's still going for $1 in the Gear Manager store. I suggest you go ahead and check it out while it still lasts. But also, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this unique looking watch face. #5, now the month of May was good. It was getting warmer. People were out more. People were exercising. Now this, for the running you, is a great watch face to have. Now the name of the watch face is called Design Sport Pro. This is definitely worthy of a download. I think many people slept on this one as well, but this one made the cut, right? Now, what I like about it is it gives you everything you could possibly need. Even if you're just hanging out and you're in a casual mode with this watch face, you can make a phone call, you can, and it's interactive, so you can tap on it. You can set your intake for your caffeine and your water. You can also go in and get your music, play it on the run, and you can customize the watch face to however you want. I thought this one was slick, worthy of a download, but yes, it made the cut. Very good looking smartwatch. I suggest you check this one out. Number 6. Now, June was a good month. Everybody's out. People are going out. I thought this was a great looking analog watch face. And the thing about this watch face is that it has it in many different colors. I wish that you were able to customize the color through this one watch face, but you can't. You can get red, green, blue, yellow, I think orange. Just go in and check it out, and the price is right. When I say the price is right, it only costs $1 in the Gear Manager store. I suggest you go ahead and download this one. I thought it was a great watch to wear casually, based off of the color, based off of what you were wearing for that day. I thought it was a really good look, and it is interactive. You got your date in big bold numbers, and you got your day right there at the bottom, and your battery percentage. I thought this was the coolest watch face ever, and it is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can get my calendar. If I tap on the 5, I can get more info. Tap on the numbers, and it's going to bring up different shortcuts for you to go into and get your info. I thought this was slick, guys. You got to check this out in the Gear Manager store. I thought this one was definitely boss. Number 7, this one is called 78° North Equalizer. Now this one is nice. Again, it's geared toward exercising. If you look at the top, it has like a meter right here. Gives you information where you could put your intake. It is interactive. Give you information on your battery, which you can see mine is depleting right now, and info on your steps and your water intake as well. Now in the middle, you got your digital time and your date. You can make a phone call. It is interactive, so if you need to get the weather, you can tap on it, get the weather, which is pretty cool. And then down at the bottom, your heart rate, calories burned info. It also gives you an opportunity to hit on your music and go into your settings. So you have everything you need on a run or on a casual wear for the day. This one here, I thought was nice for the month of July. Number 8. August. We're winding down. We're going into the fall season. This watch face made the cut. I mean, everything is all over the place, but I'm telling you, you have everything that you could possibly need so far as info on a run or on a casual day is concerned. You get your time, you get your goal. I thought this was a good look. I like the design myself. A lot of people may not like it, but it gives you info on your steps in exercising, which is important battery info. If you single tap there, you can customize the color of the watch face. I thought that was pretty slick. If I can get it to go. And yeah, it made the cut, you all. I mean, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought about this one for the month of August. Is it questionable? I don't know. Let me know. Number 9, people. Number 9. This one is nice. Now, this one here, I understand, I thought should have been number 1. If we were just simply randomly, picking from 1 through 12, this one here should have been at the top of the list. Very unique, very nice, very different. Now, at the top, you get your digital time, battery info, all your essentials, heart rate, steps, things of that nature. But the coolest thing about this is that you got a Tesla on the road and you were able to customize the color. That's what I thought was awesome about this watch face. If I'm not mistaken, people, it is free. And this might be more of a man's watch face than a woman. But ladies, let me know what you think of this watch face. This is number 9. Check it out. Number 10, piano real instrument, was probably one of the most creative, most unique watch faces made this year. Now, you get the name of the watch face at the top, which is piano, and then you get a digital time. You also get a note in the center as if you were actually playing music on this thing, and you can just simply tap a bar. And if you know a song, play a song for us. Give us a few bars, right? This is nice. But you can also customize the color of the watch face as well to give it a different look according to what you wear or whatever it is that's your favorite color. So I say yes, this one had to make the cut. All right, you all, got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this unique watch face. Number 11, winding down, people, winding down. I think it did really good so far as views were concerned. And the name of this watch face is called Glance Hive. Now, Glance Hive is really nice. It is interactive. It is also customizable. Now, you get 6 backgrounds with this, and you get 7 middle stripes. So it's customizable to give it a unique, different look from day to day. So I knew this one was worthy of being in the lineup. Question is, do you think so? So I like the watch face. I like the look and feel. I like the design. I thought it was worthy of being in the lineup. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Number 12, December. This one is called First Star 12-24 Hours. You were just recently introduced to this one. This one here is off the chart. Now, what I like about what this developer did was he gave us everything in the kitchen sink in this watch face. Now, at the top, you get info on your exercising information. You also get your battery meter, but what I like most about this watch face is the shortcuts. Now, in the center, you get your digital time, it's black, and you get your shortcuts ranging from phone calls, to text messages, to email, everything you could possibly use at a tap right on your wrist. You never have to pull out your phone. Now, right up under that, I really like the design of how he got two icons peeking out at the bottom, right? Now you can tap into your music. You can also use S-Voice if you use S-Voice. And down at the bottom, you get information on your step goal and how much you have completed. This watch face definitely closes up the lineup. Excellent. Listen, I really enjoyed doing this. You gotta hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the lineup for the watch faces for 2017. I'm looking forward to what the developers are going to bring about in 2018. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. You guys, I'm hoping you have the greatest year ever. And with that, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to get notified when I drop more videos on this channel, then please make sure you hit the notification bell at the top. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. And with that, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.